Hello subscribers and new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe. Check this out. Snip simplification. Is there a word such as simplification? This is ridiculous, unprofessional, and yeah, I address ProgeCAD to please correct that word, and I made it a little bit faster because it's really annoying. This is freezing me up and this is giving me a lot of frustration. I attached my a previous project, work on Revit. I didn't know that this one has copied, because Revit automatically puts it under your document on your C drive. When I resigned and copied all my documents in file, which is, I thought that's my personal, so I also grabbed this one. Just checking out. This project is awesome. We work on this one on Revit, and of course I'm working on the electrical room, the lighting fixtures, cable trays, conduits, and what else? Yeah, I supply those HVACs at the roofing, and those lighting protection, and yeah, I'm thinking of attaching this Revit as an XREF, creating a deliverable drawings. However, I did find some commands, or no, not some command, just one command that I used to use, or it's a useful command for me during while creating a deliverable drawings, and I call this one the 3D clip. Remember guys, 3D clip. 3D clip, I want to explain the 3D clip. I can actually view the inside of this establishment, removing the upper layer or the roofing, clipping it, removing it from the views, so I can actually see the inside of the third level. However, it's not functioning. Unfortunately guys, it's not. The command is like unable to identify the command. So this is another frustration. Number one is the simplified word that they use, or simplification wordings that they use. The other one is the 3D clip command. Come on, 3D clip command not included in your package. If your software ProgeCAD is only more on a 2D, then why not just issue an LT, which you've done 15 years ago, last 2005. No, I am definitely not going to buy this product. I'm sorry, but yeah, no. And the way the slowness, it's freezing up. Actually, I did speed up this video into 200% just to make my viewer like normal, but still it's freezing. Yes, it's freezing. So guys, not unless ProgeCAD developed this fault of the software that they're doing, I'm not gonna buy their product. I'm sorry ProgeCAD. I'm sorry to the guys who keeps on emailing me, like, what's the name? I think I deleted the name of the guy who keeps on emailing me. Said one more chance to buy their product. And let's see, what's the name of the guy? I'm checking it on my previous I'm checking it on my previous email, because I've already deleted that email, which is annoying. Where's that? 2 days ago. What's the name? What email address did I use? Let's see. So it's not here. So yeah, I'm trying to use other command, which is the xclip. The xclip function is to isolate the area which you just want to see, and that is in the form of a flat plan, a rectangle, or you can cut an elevation. That's one of the process too, that how you can cut off the roofing and check on the third level or second level or first level of the plan. But right now I am so frustrated and waiting forever, and I hope ProgeCAD will develop their product to make it way faster. I think they're faster, but only for 2D. That's what I'm saying. Why not just sell the LT? It's only for 2D. But of course you need to flatten your model, so you can, I don't know, you can extract the 2D file, or there's a lot of ways. If you're just talking about deliverable drawings, what client wants is just the 2D. So yeah, I did use the xclip command, but I just cut a portion, which this is really frustrating. So guys, I will do more search on this one, but if this product will give me a lot of frustration at the end, I will stop, and it's up to you. So if you want to buy or you want to try, best thing to do is try it first, just like what I'm doing. Subscribers, new viewers, please make a comment, ask a question, like or dislike, it's up to you. um, I'll do my best to answer your comments if you have any questions, and please share and don't forget to subscribe again. Thank you and stay safe.